Hey, welcome back to Tony's Auto Works and Off-Road. Today we're working on the Jeep JK. We're going to be installing some new blinker lights in the grille here. We're going to have to take off the grille in order to access those assemblies. I'm going to show you the parts and tools that you need. I want to thank car sponsors and Rebel Off-Road for sponsoring these parts. Let's go ahead and get started on this. We're going to start by pulling all these plastic clips. You can use a flathead or one of these little plastic clip pullers right here. Be careful because these are going to be very brittle on these somewhat older Jeeps. I guess it's only about a 10-year-old Jeep, but go ahead and pull them out. That one came out pretty nicely. And then just keep on going with all of them on the top. So once you have those plastic clips out, you'll see that your grill will kind of fold forwards like this. You just got a couple clips in the bottom here that you got to pull out. You'll see the clips down here at the bottom. They go right into this cross member in the front here. As you can see, they're just plastic, so you need to be real careful with them. Now that exposes our blinkers here. Unplug your harness to your old light, just so that you can get that out. And then you can press these little clips in here, and it'll fall through the front, just like that. Now you'll see that the old one has these clips that clip into the grill like you saw earlier. These ones obviously do not have that, but they do come with these pieces here, these plastic pieces, and they come with a bolt. You'll see that it screws into the back right there. So get you one of these pieces and one screw. Now you're going to see on the back of this light here, there's right hand, left hand, right hand, and these pieces are going to say that on both sides. And so basically you want this to clip through the grill, so just mount that up like that. So on the driver's side of the Jeep, you're going to have to use the left hand side of this piece here. So you'll take your light here, and once you've figured out that you have this in the right place, slide this in here and use the piece to hold the light into the socket, like so. That's actually a pretty brilliant design by JW Speaker. Now all we have left to do is plug your light harness back in on both sides, and then we're going to check these lights once we put the new plastic clips in. Alright, so let's go ahead and try out these new JW speakers to make sure they work, see how they look. Nice. That was my installation of the JW speaker blinkers for the grill on the 2015 JK. It'll work for a couple other different years of JKs as well. They look a lot better than the old crappy ones I had on there before. They were super faded. It was time to tray them out. So thank you for watching. Hope this helped someone, and have a nice day.